we are discussing 5-member heterocyclic compounds. In 5-member heterocyclic compounds, there are 3 molecules for our syllabus, that is furan, thiophene and pyrrole. We have discussed furan in detail, that is their physical properties, chemical properties and their nomenclature as well as resonance structure. Today we are going to discuss second 5-member heterocyclic compound which is there for our syllabus, that is pyrrole. What is pyrrole? What are its physical properties? What is resonance in pyrrole and their chemical properties, that we are going to discuss today. Now, in pyrrole, which is also called as azole, these are some points given for our syllabus, that is synthesis from acetylene, furan and succinimide. Then physical properties, chemical properties. In chemical properties, there are mainly 4 types of chemical properties for our syllabus, that is electrophilic substitution reactions, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Gattermann reaction, Rimmer-Timmer reaction, coupling reaction, then reduction, ring expansion reaction and acidic character. We will discuss all these points one by one today. Now, what is pyrrole or azole, that we will see. Pyrrole is a heterocyclic organic compound consisting of a 5-membered aromatic ring with 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen. That means, in pyrrole there are 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen in the aromatic ring. That means, here in pyrrole nitrogen is a heteroatom present there. pyrrole मध्ये 4 कार्बन आहेत आणि 1 नायट्रोजन ॲटम आहे. याच्यामधला नायट्रोजन हा हेटेरोॲटम आहे. Its molecular formula is C4H5N. Molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H5N. It is a colorless volatile liquid that darkens readily upon exposure to air. ज्या वेळेला हा कंपाऊंड एअर बरोबर कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये येईल त्यावेळेला तो डार्क होईल आणि हा वोलाटाईल लिक्विड आहे. It is a colorless volatile liquid that darkens readily upon exposure to air. These are some basic points regarding pyrrole. It is a heterocyclic compound, aromatic organic compound consisting of 5 members including nitrogen as a heteroatom. Its molecular formula is C4H5N. It is a colorless volatile liquid that darkens readily upon exposure to air. This is structure of pyrrole. See here, this is the structure of pyrrole, where there are 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen. Nitrogen is attached to hydrogen, hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen, therefore, it is a C4H5N. Now, we will see how it is prepared. Pyrrole can be synthesized from acetylene. Pyrrole may be prepared by passing a mixture of acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. Acetylene पासून pyrrole हा तयार करण्यात येतो. Pyrrole तयार करण्याची पहिली मेथड आहे फ्रॉम acetylene. acetylene आणि ammonia ह्यांना ज्यावेळेस आपण हीट करतो किंवा रेड हॉट ट्यूब मधून ह्यांना पास करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला पायरोल मिळते. सी हियर दिस इज द रिॲक्शन वेअर पायरोल is obtained from acetylene and ammonia. This is acetylene and ammonia reacting together, heat is there, red hot tube ह्या ठिकाणी वापरलेले आहे. This is the first synthesis of pyrrole from acetylene. That is, pyrrole may be prepared by passing a mixture of acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. This is pyrrole which we are going to obtain. Now, second is from furan. Pyrrole may be obtained by passing a mixture of furan, ammonia and steam over aluminum oxide catalyst at 480 to 490 degree Celsius. This is the reaction where furan is reacting with ammonia in the presence of aluminum oxide and steam, and there is formation of pyrrole. This is very simple reaction where pyrrole is obtained from furan by reacting furan with ammonia. Catalyst is aluminum oxide and the reaction temperature is 480 to 490 degrees Celsius. Steam is also used and the reaction is shown here. Now, synthesis from succinimide. Pyrrole may be obtained by heating succinimide with zinc dust. We can say that distillation of succinimide with zinc dust gives pyrrole. Pyrrole may be obtained, may be prepared by heating or by distillation of succinimide with zinc dust. Now, see here, this is the reaction. There are two forms of succinimide here. This is succinimide, left hand side keto form, right hand side enol form, which is distilled with zinc dust and there is formation of pyrrole and there is formation of 2 ZNO molecules. 2 ZNO molecule is obtained with pyrrole. That means, pyrrole can be prepared from acetylene and ammonia, pyrrole can be prepared from furan and ammonia, and pyrrole can be prepared from distillation of succinimide. These are 3 preparation methods for pyrrole. Now, we will see its physical properties. Furan is a colorless liquid. There should be pyrrole. Pyrrole is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 131 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of pyrrole is 131 degrees Celsius. Pyrrole is sparingly soluble in water, but dissolves in ethanol and ether. Pyrrole is sparingly soluble in water. पाण्यामध्ये हे अल्प प्रमाणामध्ये विरघळतो, परंतु इथेनॉल आणि इथर मध्ये रेडिली डिझॉल्व होतो. इट्स ओडर लाइक दॅट ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. इट ओडर्स लाइक दॅट ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. क्लोरोफॉर्मचा स्मेल ह्या मॉलिक्यूलला आहे. इट रॅपिडली टर्न्स ब्राउन ऑन एक्सपोजर टू एअर. व्हेन पायरोल इज एक्सपोज्ड टू एअर, it immediately turns to brown. Therefore, it is said that it rapidly turns brown on exposure to air. These are physical properties of pyrrole. Here it should not be a furan, it is a pyrrole. Instead of furan, there should be a pyrrole. That means, pyrrole is a colorless liquid. पायरोलचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हा 131 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे. हा पाण्यामध्ये कमी प्रमाणात परंतु इथेनॉल आणि इथरमध्ये डिझॉल्व होतो. त्याचा स्मेल हा क्लोरोफॉर्म सारखा आहे आणि एअरशी कॉन्टॅक्ट आल्याबरोबर ते ब्राउन होते. दीज आर फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पायरोल. नाउ विल सी रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ पायरोल हियर. अकॉर्डिंग टू रेझोनन्स थेरी, pyrrole is considered to be hybrid of the following resonance structures. रेझोनन्स थेरीनुसार पायरोल हे खालील रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चरचा हायब्रिड स्ट्रक्चर असेल. सी हियर व्हॉट आर द रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ पायरोल. ए लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज this pair is coming, this is lone pair of electron, it is coming inside, therefore this pair is going outside, and there is a rotation or delocalization of electrons, and that is why these are called a resonance structures of pyrrole. There are 5 resonating structures for pyrrole, where a lone pair of electron migrates from one place to another place. These are resonating structures of pyrrole. Now, we will see chemical properties of pyrrole. First chemical property is electrophilic substitution reactions. All 3 members, that is furan, pyrrole and thiophene, used to give electrophilic substitution reactions readily. The aromatic 5-member heterocycles pyrrole, furan and thiophene all undergo electrophilic substitution reactions with a general reactivity order. The reactivity order is pyrrole to furan, furan to thiophene and thiophene to benzene. That means pyrrole is most reactive molecule as per the electrophilic substitution reactions are concerned, then furan and then thiophene and benzene. That means pyrrole, furan and thiophene give electrophilic substitution reactions easily than benzene. Benzene पेक्षा ही तिन्ही molecule reactive आहे. Now we will see the general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole. Pyrrole, thiophene and furan gives electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Electrophiles majorly attacks on second position rather than third position in these heterocyclic compounds. This is very important point, where electrophile attacks on second position and not on third position. The reason behind it is the more number of resonating intermediate structures are possible to accommodate the positive charge when electrophile attacks on second position. 3 resonating intermediate structures that make the intermediate carbocation more stable, while if electrophile attacks on the third position, then only 2 resonating intermediate structures are possible as shown in the figure, which is comparatively less stable. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी सेकंड पोझिशनला इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटॅक केल्याच्या नंतर जो कार्बोकॅटायन तयार होतो तो कार्बोकॅटायन 3 रेझोनेटिंग इंटरमिडिएट स्ट्रक्चर्सच्या आधारे स्टेबल होतो. ज्यावेळेला थर्ड पोझिशनला आपण इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटॅक करतो त्यावेळेला जो कार्बोकॅटायन तयार होतो त्याचे फक्त 2 रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात. म्हणून इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन ही सेकंड पोझिशनला होते, थर्ड पोझिशनला होत नाही. देअरफॉर वी कॅन जनरलाइज हियर. That's why the electrophile the attack of electrophiles takes place at second position in pyrrole, thiophene and furan. Remember that electrophilic substitution takes place at second position in pyrrole, thiophene and furan. This is very important general structure. That is, the attack of electrophile takes place at second position, not on third position. See here the general mechanism shown here. When electrophile attacks at second position, when this electrophile attacks on second position, these resonating structures are formed. These are resonating structures which are formed. That means the carbocation obtained here, it is stabilized by another cation here and third cation. ह्या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जर सेकंड पोझिशनला अटॅक करत असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एकूण 3 रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात तयार होणाऱ्या कार्बोकॅटायनचे. परंतु हेच इलेक्ट्रोफाइल ज्या वेळेला थर्ड पोझिशनला अटॅक करतो त्यावेळेला जे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल तयार होतो तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल केवळ दुसऱ्या एका इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सोबतच आपल्याला स्टेबिलाइज करता येतो. म्हणजे ह्या ठिकाणी 2 स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात, या ठिकाणी 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जर सेकंड पोझिशनला अटॅक करत असेल तर आपल्याला इंटरमिडिएट कॅटायनचे 3 रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात आणि इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जर थर्ड पोझिशनला अटॅक करत असेल तर तयार होणाऱ्या इलेक्ट्रोफाइलचे केवळ आपल्याला 2 रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स मिळतात. म्हणून इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हा सेकंड पोझिशनला अटॅक करेल, थर्ड पोझिशनला अटॅक करणार नाही. See here, this is general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions in pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Now we will see here Y, where Y is oxygen, nitrogen और सल्फर. जर Y हा ऑक्सिजन असेल तर हे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन फ्युरेनची असेल, N नायट्रोजन असेल तर पायरोलचे असेल आणि S म्हणजे थायोफिन असेल तर ते थायोफिनचे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक. परंतु या तिघासाठी ही जनरल मेकॅनिझम आपण दिलेली आहे. Now we will see the first reaction, electrophilic reaction, that is nitration of pyrrole. Furane can be nitrated with a cold solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride to give 2-nitropyrrole. Nitration of pyrrole gives 2-nitropyrrole. Nitration of pyrrole is carried out with cold solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride. That means nitrating agent used here is cold solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride. Here this is the reaction where pyrrole is reacting with nitric acid, acetic anhydride at 10 degrees Celsius, and there is formation of 2-nitropyrrole. 2-nitropyrrole is the product of nitration of pyrrole. Second electrophilic substitution reaction, that is sulfonation. Sulfonation of pyrrole. Pyrrole can be sulfonated by sulfur trioxide in pyridine at 100 degrees Celsius to form pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. That is, sulfonation of pyrrole gives pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. Sulfonation is carried out using sulfur trioxide in pyridine at 100 degrees Celsius. Here this is the reaction. This is pyrrole reacting with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine. Reaction takes place at 100 degrees Celsius and there is formation of pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid, and the name of reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation of pyrrole. In short, we can say that sulfonation of pyrrole gives pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. This is complete reaction where pyrrole is reacting with SO3. The introduction of SO3H sulfonic acid group is called as sulfonation, and sulfonation of pyrrole gives pyrrole 2 sulfonic acid. Now we will see halogenation. Halogenation reactions of pyrrole proceed with great vigor and careful control of reaction conditions. ह्या ठिकाणी हॅलोजिनेशन रिॲक्शन ही थोडं व्हायगरसली होते, म्हणून केअरफुल कंडिशन्स आवश्यक आहेत, कंट्रोल करणं रिॲक्शन आवश्यक आहे. फर्स्ट क्लोरिनेशन. Chlorination is carried out with sulfuryl chloride in ether at 0 degree Celsius and form 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. That means the product of chlorination of pyrrole is 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. After chlorination, pyrrole gives 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole, and the chlorination of pyrrole is carried out mainly with sulfuryl chloride. Now see here, this is pyrrole. It is reacted with sulfuryl chloride, SO2Cl2. This is sulfuryl chloride, and there is formation of compound in the presence of ether. The ether is used here. At 0 degree Celsius, the reaction temperature is 0 degree Celsius, and there is formation of 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. That means chlorination of pyrrole is carried out with sulfuryl chloride in ether at 0 degree Celsius, and the product of chlorination of pyrrole is 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. Now we will see second reaction, that is reaction of pyrrole with bromine. The reaction is bromination now. Reaction of pyrrole with bromine. There is formation of what? The bromination is carried out with bromine in ethanol at 0 degree Celsius, and there is formation of 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. That means here bromination is carried out with bromine in ethanol, and the product of this reaction is 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. See here, in ethanol at 0 degree Celsius, the reaction bromination reaction is taking place, and the product is 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. This is tetrabromopyrrole, 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole, and this reaction name is bromination. Bromination of pyrrole gives 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. Now, when pyrrole is reacted with iodine and aqueous potassium iodide, there is formation of tetraiodopyrrole. That means, for iodination we are using iodine and aqueous potassium iodide. Therefore, we can write here iodination is carried out with iodine in an aqueous solution of potassium iodide to form 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopyrrole. That means, chlorination of pyrrole forms 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. The reagent used is sulfuryl chloride. Bromination of pyrrole gives 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. There is use of bromine and ethanol, and iodination gives 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopyrrole, and there is the use of iodine and aqueous potassium iodide. Now, see Friedel-Crafts acylation of pyrrole. Pyrrole can be acylated with acetic anhydride at 250 degrees Celsius to give 2-acetyl pyrrole. That means, acylation of pyrrole gives 2-acetyl pyrrole, and the acylating agent used is acetic anhydride, and the reaction temperature is 250 degrees Celsius. Remember that in this reaction there is no requirement of any catalyst. Therefore, no catalyst is required in this reaction. So, here this is pyrrole. It is reacted with acetic anhydride. This is the structure of acetic anhydride. The reaction takes place at 250 degrees Celsius, and there is formation of 2-acetyl pyrrole. See here, acetyl group is going to introduce COCH3 is acetyl group, and therefore, the name of product is 2-acetyl pyrrole. In short, Friedel-Crafts acylation of pyrrole gives 2-acetyl pyrrole. Here acetyl group, therefore, acylation, it is called as acylation with the byproduct acetic acid. Now, Gattermann reaction. Pyrrole reacts with hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give 2-formyl pyrrole. This is formylation reaction, which is called as a Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction is carried out with the pyrrole and with the mixture of hydrogen cyanide and HCl. In this reaction, there is use of mixture of HCN and HCl, and there is formation of, in the presence of aluminum chloride, that means in Gattermann reaction, pyrrole reacts with hydrogen cyanide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, AN, that is anhydrous aluminum chloride. There is formation of again 2-formyl pyrrole. This is one of the formylation reactions. Previous reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation, there was formation of 2-acetyl pyrrole, and in this reaction there is formation of 2-formyl pyrrole, and this formylation, addition or introduction of CHO group, formyl group, is called as formylation reaction, and the product is 2-formyl pyrrole. In short, we can say that pyrrole on Gattermann reaction gives 2-formyl pyrrole, or the formulation of pyrrole with HCN and HCl, hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives 2-formyl pyrrole. Now, in Riemer-Tiemann reaction of pyrrole. Pyrrole reacts with chloroform in the presence of alkali to give 2-formyl pyrrole and 3-chloropyridine. This formulation reaction is called as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. In previous reaction, pyrrole was reacted with hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, pyrrole is reacting with chloroform in the presence of alkali, any base we can use here, and there is again formation of 2-formyl pyrrole and 3-chloropyridine. This formulation reaction is called as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Here pyrrole reacting with mixture of chloroform and alkali. Alkali used here is KOH, potassium hydroxide. The reaction giving us 2-formyl pyrrole. This is the structure of 2-formyl pyrrole, and there is byproduct 3-chloropyridine is byproduct of this reaction. This is 2-formyl pyrrole, main product of this reaction, and therefore this is called as a formylation reaction. And this type of formylation reaction where there is reaction between pyrrole and chloroform in presence of aqueous alkali to give 2-formyl pyrrole, it is called as a Riemer-Tiemann reaction. The product of Gattermann reaction and the product of Riemer-Tiemann reaction of pyrrole is same, that is 2-formyl pyrrole. Now, coupling reaction. Pyrrole couples with benzene diazonium chloride in a weakly acidic solution to give 2-phenyl azopyrrole. That means coupling of pyrrole with benzene diazonium chloride gives 2-phenyl azopyrrole. Here this is pyrrole. This is pyrrole reacting with, this is pyrrole reacting with benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. There is coupling reaction between these two molecules in the presence of aluminum chloride, and there is formation of 2-phenyl azopyrrole. This is the molecule of 2-phenyl azopyrrole, it is obtained here. That means coupling reaction of pyrrole gives 2-phenyl azopyrrole, where pyrrole reacts with benzene diazonium chloride and there is formation of, see here, this hydrogen and chlorine will go in the form of HCl. We can write here HCl minus HCl. There should be minus HCl here, and there is coupling between this nitrogen and this carbon atom, and there is formation of such type of azo group, and therefore it is called as a 2-phenyl azopyrrole. 2-phenyl azopyrrole is the product of this reaction. You can see here, this is the reaction of coupling reaction of pyrrole with benzene diazonium chloride. There is formation of HCl here, byproduct. Now, we will see reduction reactions of pyrrole. Addition of hydrogen is called as a reduction. There are 2 double bonds in pyrrole, therefore, there is requirement of 2 molecules of hydrogen to reduce pyrrole. But pyrrole can be reduced in 2 ways. Completely it can be reduced or partially it can be reduced. First of all, we will see partial reduction. First reduction reaction we will see. Mild reduction of pyrrole with zinc dust and acetic acid yields 3-pyrroline, which is called as a 2,5-dihydropyrrole. Here this is pyrrole it is reduced with zinc dust and acetic acid, and there is formation of pyrroline here. 2,5-dihydropyrrole is called as 3-pyrroline. That means partial reduction or mild reduction of pyrrole gives 3-pyrroline, and the reducing agent used here is zinc and acetic acid. That means reduction of pyrrole with zinc and acetic acid gives 3-pyrroline. Now reduction reaction of pyrrole, second reaction we will see here. This is second reaction. Pyrrole on catalytic reduction completely hydrogenates the ring system and produces pyrrolidine. Here this is pyrrole reacting with hydrogen in the presence of metal catalyst, that is platinum. It is heated here, under pressure the reaction takes place and there is formation of completely saturated pyrrole molecule, that is completely reduced pyrrole molecule, which is called as a pyrrolidine. This is called as a pyrrolidine here. That means complete reduction of pyrrole gives pyrrolidine, and partial reduction gives 3-pyrroline. These are two reduction reactions of pyrrole. Now see, we will see the third type of reaction, that is ring expansion reaction of pyrrole. When treated with sodium methoxide and methylene iodide, pyrrole undergoes expansion forming pyridine. When pyrrole is reacted with sodium methoxide and methylene iodide, there is formation of pyridine, which is nothing but the ring expansion reaction of pyrrole. See here it is pyrrole reacting with sodium methoxide and methylene iodide. This is sodium methoxide, this is methylene iodide, and there is formation of such type of molecule which is called as a pyridine 1, and the name of reaction is ring expansion reaction. That means ring expansion of pyrrole gives pyridine. Ring expansion of pyrrole gives pyridine. This is complete reaction where pyrrole is reacting with sodium methoxide and methylene iodide to give pyridine. Sodium iodide and methyl alcohol are byproducts. This is the complete reaction, that is a ring expansion reaction of pyrrole. Now the last chemical property of pyrrole, that is acidic character of pyrrole. Remember that all three, that is furan, thiophene and pyrrole, are having lone pair of electron with a heteroatom, that is oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. ह्या तिन्ही हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंडच्या हेटेरोॲटम वर जे की ऑक्सिजन आहे, नायट्रोजन आहे आणि सल्फर आहे, त्यांच्यावर एक लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे. म्हणून हे तिन्ही मॉलिक्यूल बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतात, म्हणजे हे तिन्ही मॉलिक्यूल्स हे बेसिक आहेत किंवा बेस आहेत. परंतु पायरोल हा बेस असतानाच ॲसिडिक सुद्धा आहे, ते आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत. Pyrrole is not only a weak base but also a very weak acid, where pKa value is 15. This is shown by its reactions with sodium solid potassium hydroxide and Grignard reagent. Pyrrole हे weak base तर आहेच, परंतु weak acid सुद्धा आहे, ज्याची pKa व्हॅल्यू 15 आहे. आणि याचं ॲसिडिक कॅरेक्टर जे आहे ते सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड आणि ग्रिग्नार रिएजंट बरोबर रिॲक्शनमध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येते. म्हणजे एखादा मॉलिक्यूल एखाद्या बेस बरोबर रिॲक्ट होत असेल तर तो मॉलिक्यूल ॲसिड असतो. म्हणून या ठिकाणी पोटॅशियम हायड्रॉक्साईड बरोबर रिॲक्ट होत असल्यामुळे पायरोलला आपण वीक ॲसिडिक आहे असं आपण सांगू शकतो. सी हिअर द रिॲक्शन्स. दीज आर टू रिॲक्शन्स. इट इज शोइंग ॲसिडिक कॅरेक्टर ऑफ फिनॉल pyrrole. Pyrrole is reacting with KOH to give pyryl potassium, and pyrrole reacts with alkyl magnesium bromide to give pyryl magnesium bromide. These two reactions show that pyrrole is weakly acidic character of pyrrole. The reason for the acidic character of pyrrole is that the electron pair delocalization from nitrogen makes it positively charged and increases the possibility of proton abstraction giving pyryl anion. Furthermore, the pyryl anion is stabilized by delocalization of the negative charge over the ring. The resonance forms of pyryl anion are given below. See here the resonance structure again. Once again, all these are called as pyryl anions. These are resonating structures of pyrrole, resonance structures of pyryl anion. That means here pyrrole मध्ये जो नायट्रोजन आहे त्याच्यावर एक लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, तो डिलोकलायझेशन मध्ये भाग घेत असल्यामुळे नायट्रोजनवर पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज येईल आणि पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आल्यामुळे नायट्रोजन हा बेसला आपल्याकडे अट्रॅक्ट करू शकतो, म्हणून हा पायरोल हा ॲसिडिक आहे असं आपण म्हणलेलं आहे. These are the points for acidic character of pyrrole. So friends, here we have completed the 5-member heterocyclic second 5-member heterocyclic compound, that is pyrrole. In coming video we will discuss about third 5-member heterocyclic compound, that is thiophene. Thank you all.